Changing your limited liability company address in California is a common task that every growing business faces. Whether you're expanding to a larger office or simply relocating, understanding the proper procedures ensures your business remains compliant and continues receiving important legal correspondence. The primary document you'll need is the Statement of Information, also known as Form LLC 12. This form serves as your official notification to the California Secretary of State about changes to your business details. The form includes fields for your principal office address, mailing address, manager and member information, and your agent for service of process. You have 3 options for filing this form. The online method through the California Secretary of State's BizFile portal is free and processes immediately. If you prefer paper filing, you can submit by mail or in person for a $20 fee. The online option is clearly the most efficient and cost-effective choice for most business owners. Understanding the different types of addresses is crucial. Your principal office address is the main location where your limited liability company keeps its records. This must be a physical street address, not a post office box. Your mailing address can be different from your principal address and may be a post office box if needed. The registered office address belongs to your agent for service of process and must be a California street address where someone is available during business hours. Most address changes only require the Statement of Information form. However, certain situations call for additional paperwork. If you're making comprehensive changes to your limited liability company beyond just the address, you might file Form LLC 10, the Restated Articles of Organization. This consolidates multiple amendments into a single updated document and requires a $30 filing fee. The Certificate of Amendment form is another option when you're modifying your original Articles of Organization. This form costs $30 to file and takes approximately 8 weeks to process through standard mail. If you need faster processing, expedited service is available in person only. 24-hour service costs $350, while same-day service by 4 p.m. costs $750 if submitted before 9:30 in the morning. Timing matters when filing these forms. You must file a Statement of Information within 90 days of forming your limited liability company. After that, you're required to file every 2 years in the same month your limited liability company was formed. Additionally, you should file whenever significant changes occur, such as an address change, even if it falls outside your regular filing period. Filing amendments outside the required reporting period is typically free. Once you've updated your address with the California Secretary of State, your work isn't finished. You must notify numerous other entities to ensure uninterrupted business operations. The Internal Revenue Service requires Form 8822B to update your business address. The California Franchise Tax Board accepts address changes through your MyFTB account or by calling their customer service line. The Employment Development Department needs a Change of Employer Account Information form, known as DE-24. Local city and county business license offices must be notified if you hold local permits or licenses. Your address change might affect zoning approvals or operational permits, so contact the relevant permitting authorities. Don't overlook private institutions. Update your address with your business bank to receive statements and order new checks with the correct information. Notify your insurance providers, as your location can affect coverage and premiums. Inform vendors, suppliers, and regular clients to maintain smooth business relationships and ensure they can reach you. If your registered agent's address is changing, or if you're appointing a new agent, you'll indicate this on Form LLC 12. Your registered agent must maintain a California street address and be available during normal business hours to receive legal documents on behalf of your limited liability company. Many businesses use professional registered agent services that can handle address updates on your behalf. Failing to update your address properly can lead to serious consequences. You might miss critical legal notices, tax forms, or government correspondence. In California, not responding to official notifications within required timeframes can result in business suspension or penalties. A suspended business cannot legally operate in California until the issues are resolved. The entire process, while involving multiple steps, is straightforward when approached systematically. Online filings process immediately, giving you instant confirmation. Paper filings take longer, typically several business days to a few weeks, depending on the Secretary of State's current workload. Planning ahead and filing well before any deadlines helps avoid complications. Keep copies of all filed documents for your records. The Secretary of State provides the first 2 stamped copies of your Certificate of Amendment free of charge. Additional copies cost $8 each. These documents prove your compliance and may be needed for various business purposes. Changing your limited liability company address in California requires attention to detail and coordination across multiple agencies. By filing the correct forms, paying the appropriate fees, and systematically notifying all relevant parties, you ensure your business remains in good standing and continues operating without interruption. The process protects your business interests and maintains your legal compliance in the state.